Hello student, in this section of video we will deal with the concept of representation of rational number on a number line. Now see, represent 3 by 8 on a number line. Solution given. Since 3 by 8 is not a mixed fraction, actually it is a proper fraction, and in proper fraction look the denominator. If denominator is 8, that means any one part is there which is divided into 8 equal parts, and the definition of proper fraction is that in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Now see, any one part is there whose 8 equal parts are there. See here in the number line 0 to plus 1, and it is divided into 8 equal parts. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now in total of the 8 parts we have to focus on the third part, that is 1 2 3. So 3 by 8 is our answer, as I have written over here also. We will divide unit part into 8 equal parts, and in those part third part will represent 3 by 8 as I shown here. Now see, moving to another example. See here, represent minus 31 by 4 on a number line. See here, minus 31 upon 4 can be transformed into mixed fraction. Is that minus 7 whole 3 by 4, which can be written like this. Put a minus sign before a bracket and then write 7 plus 4 7 plus 3 by 4 bracket close. Now see, in this example we will deal with the negative side of the number line. See, 0 is here and we have to focus on the negative side because negative number is there. Now see, we have to move up to 7, and then after 7 unit part, see unit part, this is minus 7 minus, this unit part is divided into 4 equal parts. See, if we individually focus on 3 by 4, then 3 by 4 is a proper fraction. That means any one part is there which is divided into 4 equal parts. See here, we will move up to minus 7. Now we have to focus on the third part. See, 3 by 4 third part, 1 2 and 3. See, this is the third part. So minus, this will be our answer. Minus 31 upon 4 will be our answer. Now I hope the concept of number line is clear to everyone, how the rational number is represented on a given number line. Now see, properties of addition for rational numbers are here, and you can have a look. I have explained in a very detailed manner over here. You can pause the video at any time and have a look to these properties. Now see, at the last additive inverse is there. At the last additive inverse is there. Additive inverse of a by b is minus a by b. Additive inverse of a by b is minus a by b. Just we have to put minus sign in the numerator given in the numerator of the given rational number, and we will get its additive inverse. For example, additive inverse of 3 by 4 is minus 3 by 4. Just we have to put minus sign before a numerator in the given rational number, and we will get its additive inverse. I hope the concept of representation of rational number on a number line is clear to everyone. Practice more and more some on it so that you can be able to strengthen your concepts. Since Corona is going on, stay blessed, stay at home. God bless you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.